Hello everyone! Black Friday and Cyber Monday are here, and we've got deals that are bigger, bolder, and more surprising than ever. Believe me, it's huge! Up to 80% off on all your favorite WordPress plugins that'll take your website to the next level. Whether you want to speed up your site, automate bookings, or boost conversions, this is the moment to grab it all. Don't miss out on these epic deals. You won't see discounts like this again. Now, let's check out our individual deals lineup. Next 3 Offload, 50% off. Offload your images and videos to 20+ cloud platforms and make your site super fast. Cleanly, 55% off. Run your cleaning business smarter with automated bookings, scheduling, and more, all in one place. Salonly, 55% off. Keep your salon appointments seamless and your customers coming back again and again. Washer, 50% off. Make car wash bookings as easy as a click. Simple, fast, done. Next CRM, 56% off. Turn leads into loyal customers with smart automated email marketing, all inside WordPress. Evental, 42% off. Manage events, registrations, and bookings like a pro and save yourself from chaos. Next Video Reviews, 40% off. Collect and showcase authentic video testimonials that build trust and sell like hotcakes. This isn't your average deal. It's the biggest, boldest deal drop of the year. What are you waiting for? Head over to ThemeDev.net and grab your deal now before they disappear into the dark Friday.